Hi, my name is Whitney Houston. I am the clerk of court and I've worked with the city for over 3 years. What I enjoy most about working in the court is being able to make sure everyone is treated fairly with equality.
My name is Gwenita Biggins. I am the senior deputy clerk of court and I've been with the city for 3 years. I love working with the city to be a difference to the community as well.
My name is Agnes Bridges. I'm an administrative clerk for the City of Fayetteville Municipal Court, and I've been with the city a total of 2 years. Well, I love working with the city. I love working within a city in which I live, getting to interact with other people within my community.
My name is Kathleen Powell. I am the administrative clerk for the court, and I've been here over 5 years. The thing that I like about my job is I get to meet different people from all walks of life each and every day. You never know what you're going to meet.